In this video, I'll show you how to reset your HP DeskJet 3636 printer. It should look like this one. Maybe yours is blue, maybe yours is just white. It works the same way on both of them. So there's actually two different ways on how to do this, and I'll show you both of them, so hopefully one of these will work in your case. Let's start with the way number one. So make sure that the printer is turned on by pressing the power button once until the power button is light up. Then once the printer is turned on, so you're going to take your finger and you're going to keep it pressed on the power button. Do not release it. With another finger, press twice on the on the black copy button. Again, do not release the power button while you do this. And then you're going to press 3 times on the X cancel button. Again, do not release the power button. Once you finish doing everything, you're going to have the Wi-Fi network button blinking. This way you know that your printer has been reset, and finally you can release that power button you have kept holding during a while. So this is the way number one, how to reset. If this didn't work, let's see how to do it another way. So again, make sure that the printer is turned on. Then you're going to press and hold the power button the same way as the other method. Keep it pressed there. And while you're holding, you're going to press the cancel button during 1 second and then release it. Wait another second and then release the power button. And now the printer supposedly has been resetted. And if the first way didn't work, hopefully the second way worked for you. If none of these were useful to you, another way to solve some network issues is to simply unplug your printer from the wall socket during 5 minutes and then plug it back. Do not plug it in a power strip. Plug it directly into your wall outlet and try to plug it in a different one. I hope this video was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.